So hey, we're out in the middle of nowhere. You know where that is? It's right up my alley. Yeah, I'm out here in the middle of nowhere because I got a little project today, and I gotta find some stuff here. Probably one of these, or one of these, or one of these. Well, first of all, I'm gonna climb in the machine. We were out here the other day and we troubleshot this thing, and I didn't. The guys did. I was here merely as the supervisor and trainer. Sometimes you got to relinquish your control, and we determined that we need a new left-hand joystick. So other than that, I'm going to go up there. First of all, I'm going to run it again and just double check, and I'm going to take this with me and plug it in, and we will go from there, hey? So yeah, I got a kick out of this. I'm just going to say it because I don't care about, you know, some companies will let you take stuff back, and I've been bitched at before. No, you can't bring that back. You can't bring that back if you plugged it in. I got this in the mail yesterday from McCoy's. Box is all grubby. The tag was missing. Somebody else plugged it in. That pisses me off. They wouldn't let me return electronic devices, but somebody else did, and I got it. And if it works, great. But they wouldn't let me do it. That's why you shouldn't let anybody do it. Edit that out, Mike. That just pisses me off. If you're going to use it and you don't need it, put it in your guy's service truck so he's got a spare to troubleshoot with. Oh, and I brought along my new toy for, it's a thermometer. I was here last week with the AC, just to show you. It's made by Power Probe, and I won't, whatever. You take this off, you put it up in the cab, so when you get old like me or older and you don't want to climb every 10 minutes or 5 minutes to look, while you're doing your AC, filling up the, charging it from down below, this goes into your vent, and it's got two readings: outdoor temperature, ambient temperature, and then your sender for inside. It's pretty slick. Bend it, clip it right on. I don't know, whoever invented it must have been lazy like me. So I'm going to play with his air conditioner while I'm running it anyways, because I was here a couple weeks ago. You saw that. So. Alright, we're just going to let it run. Oh, hope you're still recording. These are the fun kind of jobs because they're quick. So basically that was it. She's plumb tuckered out inside. So I gotta do the old, whatever you call it, routine, and put that back together in there. Let that air conditioner run. Just checking it out when I'm here because I'm here and it don't cost any extra. I gotta climb back in there and tape up the damn handrest. So matter of fact, I'll take you along. I'll show you. That's what I'll do. I gotta fix that oil leak. He's got his brake pedals gotta be leaking in here. The whole floor is full of oil, and that's the only oil in these machines. A little loud in here, a little obnoxious, but I don't care. Let's see if I can get this thing hooked up. These things are junk after a couple of years. Wires up in there nice. These old cabs were kind of shitty. Not shitty, but they're very small. Very small. So when you get in here, I'll show you. I'll show you. So this is what most of these old Timberjacks got in them. Old electrical tape routine. We don't care as long as it works, right? As long as it works, we're good to go. And that's what I know, man. That's what I know. Oh yeah, the air conditioner is working good. Well, Kenny will be happy Monday when he gets to work. It is Saturday. I'm going to show you how fast this thing is now. I don't know if you can see it from over there, but I'll actually try to show you how fast the boom operates. Just because of the joystick being out. Let's see. We'll get you squared away here. Alright. Gonna look around. Yeah, before the boom would barely move to the left and to the right. Now I got, woo! We got plenty of speed now, boy. So the left controls the slew and the jib in and out. And you lose a lot of production that way. Now I'm barely even pulling on it. There's full speed, and I'm only at 1200 RPMs. So I'd say that's a pretty good fix. Then we'll put her back on the old tail, and let's see if I can do this too. Oh, I don't want to swing that. I want to swing with that thing. Mind you, I'm doing this one-handed, so. Set her down where she was for Ken, and there we are. And look it. I'm going to show you this thing. I can take this off, which is a little part. One of my buddies, I do have a few friends. One of my buddies showed me this the other day. He's a technician Used to work for Deere, and yeah, long story. Damn good guy. He showed me this on one of the tool trucks. So basically, coming out of the vent, I got 37 degrees, and it is 62 degrees inside the cab. So I really like this. $40. I mean, you can't beat it. Put some batteries in it and go. Like I said, when you're down on the engine part of it, and you're sucking in Freon, that's just awesome. You'll be pulling in Freon down there and have this probe stuck in there instead of climbing and getting tired. That's cool. 37.2. I checked it against the regular dial thermometer the other day, and it's within about 3 degrees on a dial thermometer. So, you know, $40 probably came to the Republic of China, Ohio, and or China, wherever. Matter of fact, I'll tell you where it came from. Nope, no. Doesn't tell me on here. But nonetheless, I've used it a couple days now, or a couple of machines, and I like it. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. I'm out of the woods now. I'm gonna go home and this Saturday, like I said, goof off. Fixed the semi this morning in the shop. Got him air conditioning working, and radiator was leaking, and I welded that up and steel the tank on the top. I never saw something like that. It split on the seam where the hang on. Here's the problem with these Timberjacks. I got this handrest tucked right into me. If you put it out here, you're a big guy. You can see where it's hitting over the ears on this side, and that's why this gets all busted up. Anyways, no big deal. We're gonna get the hell out of here and go back to my home, to the shop, and that's it. Yeah, we gotta get a seal kit for that brake pedal. This floor is oily, man. You step out onto the steel and you go. So I gotta talk to the boss man about that, the owner. I think we knew about it last year already, we just haven't done nothing yet about it, so it's getting to that point though, someday that's gonna suck. Yeah, like I said, you just clip it on the side and off you go. So, alright, thanks for coming along on yet another little adventure with Mike. So that was an easy one. I like these. Wish I could have them that easy every day. Okay, see you, bye!